What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. It's a little bright out here, as you can see. The Bay of Corpus Christi. This is where the infamous Selena's from, and yeah. So she has like a memorial down here somewhere, but we're not here for that.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
We're here for a barber competition that's going to be happening tomorrow. Today is Saturday. Pulled into Corpus Christi yesterday at like 10:30-ish. Went to the slowest Denny's I've ever been to in my life. And it was good, though. It was good. You can never do wrong with breakfast. Breakfast is always delicious. But sidetrack, tomorrow, Blurred by the Bay, hosted by Rick Rebel, Blurred Barber on IG. There's going to be tons of judges that are going to be there. We got Tank B. Choppin', Cherry the Barber, J. Armando, I Am Slay, got Education by Julian Espinoza. I'll be judging as well. So and the best part is it's sponsored by none other than the GOAT himself, T-Pop. So all the winners will be winning T-Pop play clippers. Everybody who's in attendance will be able to get into a raffle to win a T-Pop clipper as well. So today's Saturday. We're hoping to go tour a U.S. naval ship. I think that'll be pretty cool. And see what else we get in today. Today. Tonight, there's going to be a like meet and greet type thing that's happening. And then tomorrow, doors open at 9. Classes start at 9:30. It's gonna be a great time. So the dude who's putting this on, Rick Rebel, he is a super dope, down to earth person. I met him last year at the Texas Barber Expo when it was here in Corpus. That is Rick Morin's barber battle, the People's Barber. So I met him last year, and he was like, I want to get you at my show. So what's it going to take to get you here? And I just thought that was a pretty dope thing. So this has been in the works for a while now. He's already been, putting in the legwork and all that, and just getting all types of people from Texas to pull up to this event. So if you are in the Texas area, you know how big the barber community is. It's super huge, and I feel like Texas barber community is very cohesive. It's competitive, but I feel like there's a lot of people in Texas that show love to Texas barbers, and it's just a Texas thing. So excited to get on to this show, and I know I'm rambling here a little bit, but it's been a while since I've done a vlog. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I have my GMB Pro bag here. And I am going to be meeting the Soldier Barber. I'll put his IG somewhere here so you can see that. But I've been chopping it up with the I Am Soldier Barber for a long time. I met him in a military barber forum on Instagram. It was like a group, and I just thought it was cool because a lot of these barbers, they were either separating from the military, or they're retiring, or just got out, or were veterans, and they're all barbering now. So I think it's pretty cool to meet people who were prior military who are barbers now. And another guy who's going to be here is, you guys see him in a lot of the vlogs, is my boy Thomas, aka Cubezilla. He's a veteran as well. And yeah, so hopefully I could chop up the Soldier Barber. Hopefully I'm saying that right. He's down here training in Corpus Christi, so he says he's gonna pull up to the event. So that'll be dope. Let's get some footage of all that. Done rambling. Let's see some of what Corpus Christi has to offer, and introduce you guys to some of these people I'm talking about in the vlog, and get some footage of all that. So it is a 10-hour drive from Amarillo, Texas, which is where I'm from. But it didn't feel like 10 hours. It felt like it just flew by, probably because I was watching documentaries on the way down, but that's beside the point. But let's get to this day. So we're on the ship, and this is too cool. They got an officer's barbershop. This is too dope. This right here is too dope. Let's see the type of clippers they got up in here. They got that Barbasar jar. Got some old trimmers. Got on an old barber jacket. This is cool. Some old wall clippers. Some old masters. Look, they got hair on it still. I gotta hand it to the Navy. I'd rather be in the desert, the Middle East, than sleeping on one of these for 9 months. Yo, wild. Here's the sleeping quarters. This is wild. I could have not imagined being on a boat for 9 months, 6 months, not ever being able to get off and just sleeping like that. Just got done with the boat, the ship there. Really cool experience. What do you think?
It was fun. It
Yeah.
was a lot.
We were there for almost 2 hours. Oh, 3 hours. 3 hours on the boat, and as you can see, it's right there. Pretty cool experience. Like I said, I'm glad I didn't join the Navy. So let's go get something to eat. We're gonna go scoop up some food with the soldier barber. Link up with him and just chop it up one bed to another. I think that'll be a good time. But try to get some seafood too. So let's get it. What's up, y'all? So we just broke bread with the soldier barber. If you haven't watched the video, I'm gonna leave a bookmark up here where I did a reaction video to his actual barber studio. So he's active duty military full time, and then on top of that, he cuts hair. So I'll let him plug some of his information for y'all so you guys can go follow his channel. He has a YouTube channel. He also has an Instagram as well, so go check him out.
Hey, what's going on? Soldier Barber Life here, chilling with my boy Jayblends. You guys make sure you check me out. Like I say, I'm on Instagram and YouTube at the Soldier Barber Life. All underscores in between those. Hey, we out here in Corpus Christi doing our thing here for the Blurred Barber Battle. Let's go.
What up, gang? So we had a great lunch. I had some mahi seared and lemon pepper seasoning. Can't go wrong with lemon pepper ever with anything. Whether it be pork, whether it be poultry, whether it be fish. But one thing I'll say is don't put lemon pepper on beef. But regardless, delicious lunch. And now we got the clippers all charged up, and we about to go cut some hair right now. As you can see, we are plugged up and plugged in. And yeah, I got the play here. Got the Slime 2. Got the shaver. Got the X Pro Deluxe. So if you guys are going to use anything as far as T-Pop or order anything, make sure you go to the pissedofbarber.com. Use code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off. GMB Pro. Use code Jayblends to save yourself 10%. But I'm about to go cut Cherry's hair. She asked me to cut her up. So I'm going to go see what type of fade she wants and hook her up. So let's get it. We got Tank and Cherry. Cherry and Tank. We got vloggers vlogging vloggers.
You know, hey, we just creating content, man. That's it.
Did you get a cape too? From third, yeah. So shout out to Third Gen Barber Co. Shout out to Tank Soccer Player's son.
Hey, what's up? Say what's up to YouTube.
Say what's up to the Jayblenders.
Hey, Isaiah, say what's up to the Jayblenders on YouTube.
Knuckles.
What's up, Jayblends on YouTube?
Right here,
Go
bro.
give 'em Knuckles. Go give 'em Knuckles.
Don't break my hand though. Don't break my hand.
All the cherries.
No, you got
Give 'em
Knuckles, bro.
man. There you go. You know how to do Knuckles. Boy, you're brand new.
Alright, what kind of cup we getting, Cherry?
Mid fade, little drop in the back, little lime. None of these C cups.
Okay.
Nothing. And then also, I don't know if you see. I feel like this like sticks out, but I don't like it rounded.
You want it boxed?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, flat top.
Got you. Just chopped it up. Now we about to give Tank the skullet. So I've been asking Tank to let me cut his hair for like ever since I met him. So
Facts.
he's finally giving me the chance. So
Don't mess me up.
we're gonna see what we could do. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna make it happen. Y'all heard of the South Side? My boy, he from Houston, but he about to turn on the city this time, and he about to get that North Side. Let's get it.
Let's go.
That boy Tank got a lineup.
Let's go, baby.
How's it feel? How's it
Man.
feel? How's it feel?
Hey, we doing this thing, baby. Y'all know what it is. Let's
Going
go.
out. You gonna shake it in the wind
We're
too?
gonna shake it. We're gonna shake it.
Pause. Just finished up cutting up Cherry, and now we're gonna head to this like social meet and greet type thing.
Hey,
be in Texas and not have no Whataburger, man.
So we breaking bread with Soldier Boy one more time. And the Take Beat Choppers. But best burger in the world. You know, In-N-Out is trash, right?
Oh, all right. Now hold on.
All right, let's cut it off. What's good, y'all? So we are headed to the venue. Got some Red Bull in a cup because it wasn't in the refrigerator, so we had to put some ice on that bad boy. But we've got a Q&A session at 11:30. It is 10:45, so we're gonna meet up with all the other judges and educators. Got the Jayblends tee on. My wife has got the Jayblends tee on. So we out here repping, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. That naval ship yesterday was wild. It was a workout, 3 hours of workout, and my back was killing me. But today we're gonna take it a little easier, hopefully, and let's see what all this competition is about. Let's see what these barbers got to offer. I'm pretty sure it's a lot because it's Texas barbers and they be going in. So let's get to it. You're in a commission shop where you're making like bare minimum. Now, say you go to a shop that's booth rent, I guarantee that they're charging more than where you're at doing commission. So either way, like if you go to that shop and you're not as busy, but you're charging more than you were at the other shop, you're still, you know, not breaking, or maybe breaking even, maybe a little less, but you can still grow from that as well. So that's another thing to consider with that. Like they both said, is collaboration and networking. You know, utilizing people around you. Like my wife, she's in the back right now recording stuff for me. Like anything that I get, I got a mic on and I'm gonna filter through all this stuff that we're talking about right now and eventually make some content out of it. And same thing whenever I'm doing a Tank class with Tank or something, I'm recording stuff for him, like vertical stuff for reels or some type of video like for him. So I'll send that to him, or he'll do vice versa. He'll record stuff for me with his camera and then send it to me. Then we'll just filter through stuff. So just utilizing people around you, your peers, collaboration, networking, that really helps out with gaining a lot of like content. Then when it gets down to the editing part, I edit everything myself because I'm really picky. Like I want my personality to shine through like the way I want it to. Multiple people like, hey, hire a videographer, or hire an editor. But I'm so like hands-on that I can't let the reins go for that. Like, so for me, I do everything on my own. It is a sacrifice, but it is something that like for me this year, I want to get down to 4 days in the shop and then just have a day at home where it's just nothing but content creation. And so that's my goal for my content, because I like to do my stuff on my own. So. Got my boy Lonzo.
Yes, sir.
Official T-Pop gang in the building. T-Pop. We in here. We got Mr. Lavender. Lavender Knight. We got Thomas. Tomas. Hey, where's the Cortezes?
These boys got 45 seconds, but once the 45 seconds is up, I need all the models to get up and head to the lobby. That's when they will get judged.
Tomas, got the Cholo in the building here, doing a traditional comb over. Negative 10 points.
What's going on? It's Barber in the building here at Bread at the Bay, Corpus Christi, Texas. What we're all about on the IGs for the culture, for the barbers, you know what I mean? It's barber content made by barbers. But we got Jay here. Shout out to Jayblends out of Brixton. Shout out to Texas.
So I just got word from the higher up. He said if they get a design, they'll automatically disqualify you. Now I'm just putting it up.
out to that boy Armando.
What's up, bud? You know what it is? Not by six, cuz.
That's crazy. He got all the secret herbs and spices.
We got all these haircuts that we got to judge and look over. All great cuts. Shout out to all the barbers. They got down these cuts. Should I go get it working?
For real. Only one.
Hey man, Jay working somewhere.
Hey, based on your barber battle experience, you know, what do you think is the winning factor?
The winning factor is.
Wait, how many barber battles have you been in?
What?
How many barber battles have you been in?
What does that mean?
Like, how many times have you competed?
I've competed multiple of times. The multiple might be multiplied by 0, but I've competed at multiple times.
Cherry, what makes or breaks somebody in a battle?
Details. It's always details because these are all super, super fire. But there's gonna be those small details that's just like whatever's the most complete cut. The details.
How many competitions have you been in, Cherry?
I'm not sure. Probably like 25 or 30.
That's a good bid.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, number 10!
Hey, congrats, bro. Hey, you killed it, bro. That'll pretty much wrap it up for Blurred by the Bay 2024. Shout out to my wife for always being a trooper, being my camera lady, being my assistant, being my secretary, being my administrator, my chauffeur, my keeping me on track. But it's been a long day. Can't wait to get some food, get to the hotel, and head back to the Rillo tomorrow. Excited to see the kids. Yeah, shout out to Rick for at the Blurred Barber on IG. Go follow him. Follow at Blurred World as well. Go buy some products from them. It's Blurred, BLURREDDD. Wait, no, I'm just gonna put the website at the bottom so you guys go over there. Use code Jayblends to save yourself $5 off your purchase. But yeah, that'll pretty much do it. It was great to see a lot of different people that I haven't seen in a minute, and just to be back in this this realm of, you know, barber battles and whatnot. And huge shout out to T-Pop for sponsoring the event. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Until next time, God bless.